Hey, everybody. I just wanted to take a few minutes and talk about background checks, super exciting stuff. One thing that I'm seeing a lot of currently with our corporate clients and nonprofit clients is a general misunderstanding of what the background check rules are here in Illinois and at the federal level. Here in Illinois, the person has to be offered the job first before you check their background. Is this person a good candidate? If they are, let's go to the next step. We have to make sure that certain forms are filled out that allow us to run their background. So we need a disclosure form, we need a rights form, we need to make sure that all the forms are squared away. You need to make sure that you keep those. Second, you have to have a reputable company actually run the background and see what's going on. Once you get the results, then let's say it's clear, you can put them back into your regular hiring queue and move forward. If there are things on there that are questionable, then you could send a pre-adverse action notice to them, which says something popped up on your background check and we are looking into it and deciding if we can still have you as a part of our team. That gives the individual some time to bring in other mitigating paperwork. So let's say a form from their pastor talking about how they have reformed or something like that, something from a parole officer or some kind of paperwork that makes the circumstances more digestible. Then what you have to do as an employer is you have to do an analysis of whether this person really poses a threat to your customers, clients, or your business. From there, go through a whole list of factors. Let's say, did this person steal a car when they were 19 and then they had no record of any kind of wrongdoing? That is something that has to be considered. And you need to be able to show your decision-making process as it relates to either allowing this person to be hired or sending them a final adverse action notice, which tells them why and how they were terminated and that they can absolutely go to the agencies and try to correct any information that's also on their record. Down and dirty, these are the steps.